electronic keyboard from Amazon. So let's open it.
Okay. Then, open it here. Whoa, whoa, it's blue.
The microphone's blue.
It looks like it's for little kids, right? I'll show the microphone.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Ours is blue.
It's blue? Let me see. It's blue. Oh, that's cool.
You can hold it like this. The indentation.
Is it? Oh, it's very light.
Yeah, it is.
It's very light.
Light.
Here, I think.
Nice.
Does it need batteries? Does it need batteries?
Yeah, it needs batteries.
So do y'all like this?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Does it need batteries?
Yes.
All right,
Okay,
hold on.
guys, we got the batteries in, and it's in the back. So let's plug up the microphone.
And you need AA batteries.
Double A. 4 of them. 4 AA batteries. So let's try this. Hello.
Oh, wow. That's loud. All right, now, but will you read off the box, see what it does?
There's 37 mini-sized keys, 128 tones, 128 patterns, 5 song bank tunes, easy to read display, vocalism, microphone, and DC AC power.
Cool. Try to play me a song, guys.
It's not too small.
Can you
does
do it, Ben? All right.
I forgot. Oh, well, that's Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
That was good.
Better than. We need a big piano for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Ew.
No ASMR, Ben.
So you start doing something?
Good job. Yay.
Did it.
All right, is there any music on there, like
Yes.
songs or
There's
anything?
drum beat. There's different sounds. So, and then there's record. You can record your music and then play it.
Oh, cool. What about them little green buttons? What are those?
I don't know what these are.
Read it. Read right there. What it is.
After Enter the optional mode, press 0, -9 BTN to select digital display. The
Oh, it
corresponding
has
digital.
codes to put it in different tones. Right?
Right? Rosa?
And show them the display on it.
What is
It's
that?
easy to read display. That's nice.
It is.
You like it, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, guys. What do y'all think about it?
It's really cool, and I like this microphone.
Yeah.
Nova, what do you think?
I think it's cool.
Jenna?
I like the microphone and this tongue. So I can help Ben's ears with it.
Okay, guys. You ready to do your thing?
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching.
I hope you like this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and dream big
and dab bigger. We love you. Bye.